Hi everyone, my name is Bharti Chaudhary and today we are going to discuss question number 7 of the graded assignment sheet of week 7. So question number 7 says that a roller coaster ride follows the curve defined by polynomial function f of x is equal to 9x cube plus 9x square minus x minus 1. Considering some fixed horizontal reference plane in the domain -1, 0, 0.5. So question number A says, how many bends are there in a roller coaster? Now what is the meaning of bend? Let me explain you. It is following a straight path and suddenly a turn comes and they turn their path. For example, I am going straight like this and suddenly I took a bend like this or a turn like this. So this will be giving me my one bend. If I move to the next one like this will give me the second bend. And continuously where you don't get a sharp edges or where the turning points came, that is considered to be the bends. Now for solving this question, I have already created the graph. By looking at the graph, I am going to answer these questions. So the graph is already ready. So I have already made the graph of the roller coaster, which is between the range of -1 and 0.5 because the domain was already restricted. So I've tried to make out the graph between these domain only, so that this point is -1 and this point is somewhere as your is 0.33. It means that here at this point it will be 0.5. Yeah, at this point it will be 0.5. This point will be 0. Yeah, approximately this point is your 0.5. So you can see now the question is saying that how many bends are there in the roller coaster. So let's see here. One bend is there, one bend is here. Again it was following the same path and again one elevation is there. So there are total 2 bends. You can also try yourself. You can plot these graph. The app that I'm using is graph plotter. You can just online plot these graphs. So you can see that the bends that roller coaster is there in these domain is only 2. So the answer for question number 7A is 2. Now question number B says, in the given domain, how many times does roller coaster reach the same height as that of the starting point, that is x is equal to -1, taking x is equal to -1 into account. Okay, we have to take that into account also. Now one thing you have seen that considering some fixed horizontal reference plane, it means that it may happen that they have considered this as the plane where -4 is there. They can consider this as the plane, or this can consider this as plane. So any one can be considered as the horizontal plane. It is not necessary that this is the plane that they have considered. So the axis may change. Now at -1, you see that this height is reached. So you have to make this all point, these point that is lying on this axis will give the same height which is acquired by -1 point. So counting, we have to consider this point also. So you can see at -1, at this point, that is a -0.333. And the next is 0.333. We are getting 3 such points where the height is same. So answer for the second question is 3. We have also taken the in account as -1. So the total number of times the roller coaster has achieved the same height as that was of starting point, that is x is equal to -1, is 3. I hope I have made this question very clear. If any doubt still persists, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can also mail to my mail account which is given in the description below. And please follow me on Instagram. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. See you with the next question.